Welcome to Review Rumble. The best board games is probably one of the most exciting ways to spend your time. From strategic battles to cooperative adventures, the world of board games offers something for everyone. Whether you're a seasoned strategist or a casual player, the variety and depth of these games will keep you entertained for hours. So, gather your friends, clear the table, and prepare to dive into the captivating world of board games. Number 5. Jack's original sequence game with folding board. This is the original sequence game by Jack's. It comes with a folding board, cards, and chips. It's a game that's fun for the whole family. Players choose a card and place a chip on the matching space on the board. The goal is to get 5 chips in a row. It's a race to see who can get there first. Each player or team competes to score the required number of 5 card sequences. It's easy to learn, but challenging to master. The game is perfect for game nights. Sequence is easy enough for children to play, yet still challenging for adults. It's a great way to develop STEM skills, like strategy. It's a game that everyone can enjoy. The game includes a folding game board, 2 decks of playing cards, 135 playing chips, and complete instructions. It's designed for 2 to 12 players, ages 7 and up. Get ready for some fun. What we like. This game offers exciting gameplay that develops strategic thinking. It's easy enough for children, yet challenging for adults. If you're looking for a game that the whole family can enjoy and that subtly enhances STEM skills, you should consider this one. What people say. The game pieces are well made and durable. The rulebook is clear and easy to understand. The game is well designed and provides a great gaming experience. Number 4. Hasbro Gaming Candyland Board Game. Remember playing Candyland as a kid? Now, introduce the new generation to this sweet board game. It's a delightful way to create lasting memories. Players will encounter delicious surprises along the path. The goal is to move the cute gingerbread man pawn to the castle. This game is perfect for kids ages 3 and up, even before they learn to read. It's a fun and easy way to play. The Candyland board game features colorful cards, sweet destinations, and fun illustrations. Kids will love it. Get ready for a journey filled with fun and excitement. This game promises a sweet adventure for everyone. What we like. This is a classic beginner game that requires no reading, perfect for young children. The game features colorful cards and sweet destinations, making it visually appealing. If you have young children who are just learning to play board games, or if you are looking for a game that doesn't require reading, this is a great choice. What people say. I've played a few games with my family and we all love it. The game is easy to learn and fun to play. The quality of the game pieces is excellent. Number 3. Pressman Checkers, Classic Folding Board Game. Introducing Pressman Checkers, a timeless classic. This game is perfect for players of all ages and skill levels. It's a great way to spend quality time with family and friends. Checkers is a 2-player strategy game played on a checkered board. The objective is to capture all of your opponent's pieces or block them from making any moves. It's a game of skill and planning. This set features a folding game board for easy storage. This makes it convenient to take with you on the go. It's designed for years of play. The set includes interlocking checkers, making it easy to keep track of the pieces. This feature ensures that the game can be played smoothly. It's a great set for teaching the next generation. This game is designed for 2 players, ages 6 and up. It's a perfect way to introduce children to strategy games. It's a fun and engaging activity for the whole family. What we like. This is a timeless classic that's easy to learn but offers strategic depth. The folding board makes it easy to store and take with you. If you like classic strategy games and are looking for something simple yet engaging, you should consider this. What people say. The game pieces are well made and durable. The game has a great variety of games to choose from. The game is easy to learn and play. Number 2. Hasbro Battleship with Plain Strategy Board Game. This is an Amazon exclusive Battleship game. It adds airplanes to the classic ships for more strategic gameplay and exciting battles. Get ready for an epic showdown. In this naval combat game, you can now crash enemy planes, in addition to sinking their ships. The goal is to strategically eliminate your opponent's fleet and aircraft to achieve victory. The game includes 2 portable battle cases and storage for ships, planes, and pegs. It's designed for easy travel, making it a perfect game to play on the go. Remember playing Battleship as a kid? Now, you can share this strategy game with a new generation. It's a timeless classic that everyone can enjoy. Looking for fun indoor games for family game night? This strategy board game is a fantastic choice. It's a great way to spend quality time together. This game makes a great gift for kids aged 7 and up, as well as adults. It's a fun and engaging game that everyone can enjoy. What we like. This game adds airplanes to the classic Battleship gameplay for more strategic depth. It's portable and includes storage, making it ideal for travel. If you are looking for a game with a twist on a classic, and enjoy strategic naval combat, you should consider this. What people say. The game pieces are well made and durable. The rulebook is clear and easy to understand. The game is well designed and provides a lot of replayability. Number 1. Monopoly board game, family fun for ages 8+. Get ready for a family game night staple. This game lets players buy, sell, and trade their way to riches. It's a timeless classic that everyone can enjoy. Compete to buy out neighborhoods and build your empire. Players will charge rent and watch their fortunes grow. It's all about strategic property trading. Love collecting rent? The more you build, the more money you make when opponents land on your properties. Watch your wealth accumulate with every roll of the dice. This game includes 8 iconic tokens: the Top Hat, Rubber Ducky, Scotty, Hazel, Race Car, Penguin, Battleship and either the Thimble. Pick your favorite and start playing. This is a go-to game for family game night or anytime indoor fun. It's a great gift for families and kids. Gather your loved ones and start playing. What we like. This is a fast-paced property trading game that's a staple for family game nights. You can buy, sell, and trade your way to riches. If you like the thrill of building an empire and enjoy family game nights, you should consider this. What people say. The game pieces are well made and durable. The game has a great variety of games to choose from. The game is easy to learn and play. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.